Hello and welcome to another edition of History Science Fiber. Today we're going to be dying with Xanthoria parietina, or the maritime sunburst lichen. It's a common lichen here in the Pacific Northwest. It's bright yellow and it holds some pretty interesting secrets. Now, in a previous video, I kind of give an introduction to lichens, so I'll put a link in the description below for that video. So this lichen is a leafy lichen or a foliose lichen. It's very common here in the Pacific Northwest. You often find it near the ocean, near the shore. Parietina actually means near the shore. I had read about this lichen before in this book, The Lichen Dies, the new source book. But I was really introduced to it for the first time through a workshop I took with a master dyer out of Washington State named Alyssa Allen. She does a business called Mycopigments and does workshops. So you can get three distinct colors from it. One is if you just use the boiled water method, and you will get kind of a corn yellow. It's not all that exciting. But if you ferment it, and how you do that is you take a vessel, you add about, I do a 1 gallon jug with a lid, and then I add in about 100 grams of lichen, and then half household ammonia, half water. Give it a good shake every now and again. And in about 12 to 16 weeks, it should go sort of a cherry red. And then I filter that, or I decant that into a smaller jar. I add my fiber for about 3 days. And what I pull out is sort of a candy pink. And then from there, that's where things get interesting. You put it out in direct sunlight and it will change color. It's photosensitive. So it will go from a bright pink to a blue. So using one method, you can get two very different colors. And where you're going to find it growing that you can harvest are going to be branches of hardwood trees, especially maples, on or near water that have fallen after a storm. So if there's a good storm out, I'll often go and have a look and see if big heavy branches come down near water that's usually loaded with this. So be careful, only harvest what's on the ground. Thanks, bye.